All right, in this section, you're going to solve exponential and log equations using Desmos. So we're going to do a couple examples, okay? So the first example is going to be 6 to the 2x plus 2 is equal to 216. Okay, we're going to do the same thing with these four problems. Left-hand side, line 1, right-hand side, line 2. Okay, so we're going to go to Desmos, and we're going to type it in. Left-hand side, line 1. Right-hand side, line 2. I didn't type it right in. We got to raise it to the 2x plus 2. Use parentheses, 2x plus 2. And then this is going to be y equals 216. Okay? So then you've got to find their intersection. So we're going to zoom out. We're going to zoom it out and scroll. I like to scroll. There we go. And look, there's your answer. So my answer here would be 0.5. Okay? All right, let's do another one. So another one's going to be negative 3 times 10 to the x minus 9 is equal to negative 75. Again, left-hand side, line 1, right-hand side, line 2. Okay? So we got a Desmos. We're going to X out what we got. We're going to say y equals negative 3 parentheses 10. I want to raise that 10 to the x minus 9. And then I'm going to have y equals negative 75. Okay? I'm going to go back home because that negative means I need to go down. And I need to find it. So I'm going to zoom out and scroll because negative 75 isn't too far away. And there's my answer, 10.398. Okay? All right, let's keep going. Two more. So let's do some log equations. So we got log of 10 minus 2x is equal to log of 6 minus 3x. Now these logs don't have a base, so when we go to Desmos, we can choose the one without a base, okay? So we've got log of 10 minus 2x, forgot my y equals. Then I need y equals log of 6 minus 3x. I need to find their intersection. Okay, so I'm going to go back home just so I can see where the graphs are going. All right, and look, there's my gray dot right there. It's negative 4. Now, sometimes there will be two answers, but most of the time there's going to be two answers when you have an x squared here in the situation. Okay, if you have something that's x squared going on, then you're going to have two answers, okay? Well, let's just do one. All right, so let's do this one. Let's see, let's go to purple. So we got log base 3 of x plus log base 3 of x minus 2 is equal to log base 3 of x plus 10. So I want to figure out what that equals, okay? So we're going to go to Desmos, left-hand side line 1, right-hand side line 2. So y equals log, now this one had a base, so we need to choose the one with the base. Log base 3 of x, close parentheses. Oh, I did not type an x. There we go. And then it's going to be plus another log base 3 of x minus 2. And then line 2 is going to be the right-hand side, which was log 3 of x plus 10. Log 3 of x plus 10. All right, so if you look, I've got one answer right there. Okay? But if you ever have two answers, just double check. Make sure, like if you see these graphs going down like this, I know they're not going to intersect. They're parallel, okay? And if you look at this one is going up, and this one is staying pretty flat. Okay, so they're not really they're going to get parallel eventually. So my only answer here was 5, okay? So x equals 5, all right? So that's it for this video and this section of the review.